Hello and welcome to Stacey D's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a fluffy buttermilk scone recipe. It's the only recipe you're ever going to need. I'm putting 200 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl. And here I have 60 grams of unsalted butter. It is not cold, it is room temperature. It's much easier when you're mixing it in. And now I'm just going to cover the butter with my fingers. I'm very lightly going to mix the butter into the flour. So you take a little flour and the butter between your fingers and just rub together. The reason I'm doing it like this is because I want my scones to be light and airy, and if you use a light touch, your scones will be light and airy. That took about 45 seconds, and now all the butter is incorporated into the flour and it looks like breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to pour 50 grams of caster sugar on top, and I'm just going to stir that in. Now a little pinch of salt. Now it's time to add the gorgeous buttermilk. This is what makes them so unbelievably delicious. 60 ml of buttermilk, pour it on the top, followed by 1 beaten egg, a medium egg. That's all your ingredients in. Now let's just stir it together. Very gently, just until it's combined. Once it's combined, it's time to get your hand in. Just turn it around until it makes one nice ball. A light, gentle touch is important with scones. As soon as all the flour has been taken up from the sides, it's ready. Now I'm going to lightly flour a board, pour the mixture onto the board, and just knead it very gently to combine it into a nice ball. Now we're going to pat the ball down to around ½ inch. I think this is around a 6 centimetre cutter. You can make mini scones or bigger scones, but I find this is a really good size, and I'm aiming to get 6 today. So you can dunk it in a little bit of flour if you want. Push it down and pop them on your tray. These are going to be nice thick ones. 1, 2, 3. Now when it gets like this, you can just push it together and reuse it. Pat it out again. 4. You can whip up a batch of these gorgeous scones in, 15 minutes from start to finish. And nothing beats a homemade scone. 6. Absolutely perfect. Using a beaten egg, brush the top before you bake them in the oven. Now these are ready to bake on 230 degrees or 210 degrees fan for around 8 to 9 minutes until they're well risen and nice and golden brown. All that's left to do is let these cool and then eat them for tea with clotted cream and strawberry jam. Isn't that good? And there you have it. Now you know how to make really quick, fluffy, beautiful buttermilk scones. If you enjoyed watching, then please do make these yourselves, and why not send me a photo of what you've made? Don't forget to click that subscribe button too. Bye!